cool-looking caps from all different brands to trim on. I am somebody who believes in playing sport, and once you love a team, you like wearing their jerseys or have their accessories, and this is a great accessory to have, which looks really cool. I've been wearing them in all the photographers have picked us before in various different hats. Getting out of dinners and parties and everything, and it's all thanks to them, and I'm pretty excited. I'm going to take this one back home. Yeah, thank you for this one hat that I've done. This किस्म के companies here, the kind of teams they follow, have immense fan following. So I think my job becomes very easy. I love wearing caps myself, and I've worn them in every occasion, be it a party, a dinner, or outdoors, or playing sports, of course. And it's exciting that I have more options to choose from, and I will take full advantage and get the cooler, newer versions of it. And it just adds a great accessory to the look. काफी लड़के बहुत लड़के पहनते हैं. मैंने आदि रॉय कपूर को देखा है, रणबीर को देखा है पहनते हुए. I think these two boys I've hung out with, and they are very fond of all these brands. और उनको बहुत शौक है जिस तरह मैं पहनता हूँ. तो I don't know, मैंने challenge किया नहीं वैसे. It'd be cool to get Adi and Ranbir and do a challenge with them. And हम में से कौन ये hat पहन सकता है challenge? इसको टोपी पहना चाहता हूँ. इंडस्ट्री में किसको टोपी पहना? I think ये दोनों जिनके नाम लिए हैं, और जो I think एक आदमी जो नहीं पहनते हैं, I think करण जोहर should try. उन्होंने रिसेंटली शुरू किया है, and करण के बहुत ही अच्छे और अतरंगी रंग होते हैं उनके स्टाइलिंग में, and I think he has the great carriage to pull off really cool colors. So it'll be very cool to see Karan trying one of the really funky loud ones. Well, I think this one is their own in-house branding, which is New Era, and it's not representing a team. We've all seen, all these brands, especially that one that's a New York Yankee one, which is very popular, famous everywhere in the US. Features-wise, I think the only thing I would say in my caps, I like the one which has this adjustable strap, which makes it easy. Also, depending on your haircut, sometimes your longer hair, baal fit nahi aate mere. I think something on the hand, either a watch or a bracelet that I got, a cap, for example. A weed cap, definitely. I like to carry a jumper on top, just in case आप कहीं indoor बैठे हैं जहाँ पे AC बहुत तेज है. I like carrying a pair of easy shoes, just in case, like on set especially. So I think have a pair of chain, which maybe not for everybody else, for actors it works. And what else? I think have something in the neck, which boys can pull off really well. Not chokers. I've heard some boys are wearing really tight chokers, which I find a bit odd. So not that, but some easy, cool little boy kind of accessory.